Looking for a reliable and efficient hybrid solar inverter for your home? In this video, we review the top hybrid inverters of 2025 that save energy, reduce electricity bills, and provide uninterrupted power. Discover smart features, dual outputs, and battery-free operation to find the perfect solar solution for your home. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started.
Fifth product on the list, ECGSOLAX Hybrid Solar Inverter. The ECGSOLAX 4.2 kW/6.2 kW Hybrid Solar Inverter is designed for homes that want stable, smart, and efficient power. This off-grid inverter works even without batteries, making it ideal for locations with reliable solar supply. It supports lead-acid, GIL, and lithium batteries, giving users complete flexibility. With a comprehensive LCD display, users can easily configure charging currents, solar or AC priority, and voltage settings. The built-in 120A MPPT controller maximizes solar energy usage, supporting up to 6,500 watts input, ensuring steady power even under varying sunlight. Key features include pure sine wave output, Wi-Fi and GPRS monitoring, one-key factory reset, and automatic lithium battery activation. It also has a wide PV input range of 60 to 450 VDC and a dust-proof kit, making it durable for harsh environments. A powerful, smart choice for modern homes.
Fourth product on the list, PowMr Hybrid Solar Inverter. The PowMr 5 kW split-phase hybrid solar inverter is a powerful solution for homes and small offices. Designed for both on-grid and off-grid use, it delivers pure sine wave output, ensuring safe and stable power for all devices. It supports single-phase, split-phase, and three-phase connections, offering versatile energy solutions. Equipped with the 100A MPPT battery charger, it efficiently manages solar energy and supports 48-volt lithium-ion and lead-acid batteries. Its fast switching time of 10 milliseconds guarantees uninterrupted power during outages. The inverter also features wide PV input range, 120 to 500 volts DC, AC input flexibility, 90 to 140 volts, and energy saving mode to reduce idle power consumption. Additional benefits include parallel connection up to 6 units, multiple communication interfaces, durable anti-corrosion design, and forced air cooling for stable operation. The PowMr 5 kW inverter is a reliable, smart, and cost-effective choice for modern home energy needs.
Third product on the list, YINFA Ryzen Hybrid Solar Inverter. The YINFA Ryzen 3.6 kW Hybrid Pure Sine Wave Inverter is a versatile and reliable solution for home solar energy systems. It works efficiently with or without a battery, allowing users to rely on solar, grid, or battery power for their home load. Its pure sine wave output ensures safe operation for all appliances. Equipped with MPPT technology, it handles a wide PV input range of 60 to 450 volts DC and achieves a maximum conversion efficiency of 98%, making it energy efficient. The inverter supports lead-acid and lithium batteries with easy connectivity and flexible options for home setups. Other features include dual load output, high AC input flexibility, 90 to 150 AC volts, 100 amp AC charging, and a compact 10 kilogram design. The YINFA Ryzen 3.6 kW inverter is durable, cost-effective, and perfect for modern homes seeking a reliable solar power solution.
Second product on the list is the SUMRY 4 kW Hybrid Solar Inverter. The SUMRY 4 kW Hybrid Solar Inverter is a reliable and efficient solution for modern homes. Designed for on-grid and off-grid use, it delivers a pure sine wave output, ensuring safe operation for all sensitive electronics. The inverter can operate without batteries, offering flexibility and convenience for any setup. Equipped with a 120A MPPT solar charger, it handles solar input up to 4,200 watts, maximizing energy use. Its high PV input range, 60 to 500 VDC, ensures stable performance even under fluctuating sunlight conditions. The inverter also features dual output, one key factory reset, and automatic lithium battery activation, making it easy to manage. Other highlights include built-in anti-dust kit, smart battery charging design, Wi-Fi and GPRS monitoring, and a compact, lightweight design. The SUMRY hybrid inverter is a cost-effective, durable, and smart choice for home solar energy needs. First product on the list, Growatt 12 kW Hybrid Inverter SPE 12000ES is a high-performance solution for homes and small businesses. Designed with dual MPPT trackers, it optimizes solar energy harvest and ensures maximum efficiency. Its dual outputs enable smart load management, making it perfect for both essential and non-essential home appliances. The inverter supports grid-tied function with peak shaving and parallel operation up to 108 kW, allowing for easy future capacity expansion. With a maximum PV input voltage of 550 VDC, it efficiently manages solar energy under varying sunlight conditions. Other notable features include dual AC input terminals with integrated transfer switch, smart device connectivity via Wi-Fi, and stable single-phase 230 VAC output. The Growatt 12 kW hybrid inverter is a reliable, energy-efficient, and scalable solution, ideal for modern homes seeking smart solar power management and uninterrupted energy supply.